So we have been traveling now, living on the road, working, doing trade shows, looking for inventory, meeting with vendors, clients, private clients, group meetings, whatever we do. Eat. Eat. All I do is eat. It seems like all I do is eat. Anyway, I am looking to settle down. Yeah, being, not travel as much. Well, travel more overseas, but not, I don't know, I just want to do less trade shows. It is time to hang up or park the motor coaches, campers, trucks and trailers. That's not true. I just need a bigger office. Living out of storage units because we closed our store is not an easy thing to do. So we don't want to commit to a new office space like a store yet. So I think we're going to take on more local clients in Vegas and California, so we don't have to drive as much across country and do as many trade shows. But what are we going to do? Just look for a bigger house to live out of and work out of, and then we'll have clients fly to us to Las Vegas. Yay! So we don't have to travel so much. So if you want to visit us in Las Vegas, email us. And yeah, make my life so much easier. Get more sleep. That would be nice, right? Yeah,
oh, that's
Suri
right,
says.
Suri.
But Suri likes to go bye-bye. Don't you, Suri? Our parrots like to go bye-bye on the road. Tired. Good night. More tomorrow.